there's something your TIs do that's kind of crappy, and that's graph distributions of probabilities. So if you try to make a histogram on this bad boy, right, exactly. If you try to do your old standby, let's make the plots L1, L2. So you got your histogram all set up, everybody's happy. L1, L2. You press zoom 9. Sometimes I get an error. And you get this. It's dumb. I don't know why the TI does this. I wish I had a better answer that I don't know why. But it's easily fixed. It requires finagling. So hit the, what's the finagle button? Window. That's your finagle button. Okay? And this is why, this is the problem. It starts the graph at 2 and goes to 22. I don't know why it does that. It just does. So we fix it. We're going to start at 2, because 2 is our smallest. You know what we're going to go to? 13. Remember that goofy adjustment we have to make? We have to go 1 higher, otherwise we'll lose that last bar. So go to 13. And Nathan, 12 is the most logical place to go, obviously, but we have to give it 1 more just to give it that last bar. If you don't go to 13, it doesn't press that last bar off. Scale it by 1. Scale it by 1. This will now give us our 11 bars, 2 through 3, 3 through 4, and so forth. Just press graph at this point. There it is. It's just, the window still kind of sucks. We want to play with our window a little bit. It's there. Looks like it's there. Ooh, it's your Y min and your Y max. Same as mine. Yours is just a more extreme version. So press the window button again. And now let's look. X's look great. But the Y's don't anymore. The Y min. Remember what this is, you have to speak TIEs here. Remember what axis Y is right now. What's being represented on the Y axis? Emily, you got it. The frequency, which is now a percentage, right? The probabilities. What's the minimum probability you can have? Good, in ours. I always like to call it, if you don't mind, I'll call it 0. Just that's it. Overridingly, you can't go below 0, yes? So this is negative thing, I'm going to make it 0. Now, Rebecca pointed out that 1 out of 36 is our smallest probability. What's our largest probability? 6 out of 36, which is about 17%. It's the same as that probability of 3 we saw earlier, right? So make your Y max according. Right now it's at 114%. That's a little extravagant. Yours was at 1,000%, which is super extravagant. So make it something logical, like 20%, which actually is bigger than your biggest probability, yes? Then when you press graph, oh, look at that. And there she is. Please.
I get mine graphed and up.
You press the zoom 9?
I tried and it just says like error.
Oh, that's probably just, let me get you a break, Kate, and we'll get you all squared away, I promise.
Okay.
I promise. It's just a matter of setting your parameters up correctly. We'll get you squared away.
Okay.
What was your Y scale?
You know, I don't know. I didn't mess with that. It's at 0.1, but Corbin, the idea is you don't have to worry about it, and here's why. You won't even see that scale, because since this is 2, that means 1 and 0. Your scale's only going to show up on the y-axis, which you don't even see right now. Now you can totally, if you want to, you can steer right to that light. You can set up your screen so you see it, but you have to make your x min down to 0, and then you'll actually see it over there. Here's your 0.1, 0.2. But I mean, you know, it's not that crucial. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Good. Let's take 5. Let's come back and analyze this. Let's make sure everybody has the graph. We'll figure it out. We're going to figure this out. And then we'll make sure everybody has the graph. We can deal with it. Let me get Caleb squared away. Rebecca, Judy, get you guys squared away. Shut the camera off. All right.